Hey everyone, today I am sharing with you the most tastiest chicken recipe which is very easy to make at home with basic ingredients and it turns out gorgeously luscious. So make this for your family and see them smiling back at you. So let's begin. Add 1 to 2 tablespoon ghee in a vessel. Also add half cup of oil. Let oil heats up nicely. Then add this pandan leaf which is also called pulao patti, but if you don't have, skip it. Add 2 dry red chilies and green chilies and 1 teaspoon of coriander seed. Add few whole spices. Let all this crackle into the oil for few seconds because this step give a nice flavor to this tastiest chicken recipe. Therefore, heat up the oil nicely and add all this thing so you could feel the aroma. After that, add 4 medium sized sliced onion and saute it. While it's getting done, add a little salt to it and cover it for some time so it will help to caramelize faster. Keep it stirring constantly as it turns to light golden color. Don't burn the onion or make it dark brown. Keep a nice light golden color. Now add 1 medium sized tomato puree and stir it for few seconds so that the raw smells of it will goes away. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute it little bit. Now add all powdered masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 3 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoon garam masala powder, salt as per taste and also add coriander leaves. Simultaneously add around 1 kg of chicken into it and stir it well for 2 minutes on a medium flame. If you find my videos interesting, so please give a like to my video and subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos too. Then cover it and cook on low flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, when you see oil is releasing, add in 3/4 cups of warm water to it, then stir it for few seconds and cover it and cook it on low flame till it done. It will take around 10 to 12 minutes to cook. When you see an oil rising to the top of it, off goes the flame because it's done and ready. Let's serve it. Finally, garnish with coriander. This goes wonderfully well with paratha, naan, or with rice. On that note, stay tuned for such quick, simple, and stunning recipe and continue watching Albarka Kitchen.